Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about FXML, a powerful XML based tool used in JavaFX UIs to simplify user interaction development. So we will look at how FXML helps separate design from logic. So encourages collaborations and speeds up JavaFX application development. So we'll see what is FXML. So FXML is an XML based markup language that allows us to define JavaFX UIs in a declarative manner. It is similar to the HTML works for the web. So this means we write the structure and layout of the UI in XML instead of Java code. So the benefit is that it separates the UI from the application logic, making code more modular and easier to maintain. So it allows developers and designers to collaborate. One can handle layout while other works on the functionality. So now we'll see the MVC architecture. So MVC means a model view controller. It's like a pattern. The model handles the application data and business rules. The view is defined using FXML, that's your UI and layout. So the controller is where we handle user interaction and link the model to the view. This separation of concerns leads to the cleaner, better organized applications. So now we'll see the FXML structure. FXML structure it uses a hierarchical of XML tags that reflects the structure of the JavaFX scene graph. So each tag corresponds to a JavaFX class like VBox, HBox, label, text field, and so on. So the ID, the fx colon ID attributes connects UI components to controller variables. So there are some event handlers like on action equals handle login. You can see in the right side of the code. Below that you can see the on action equals handle login. This link UI events to control the methods. The fx colon controller attribute specifies which Java class will handle the logic. So now we'll see the scene builder. Scene builder. So scene builder is a visual drag and drop tool for designing JavaFX interfaces. So we don't need to manually write XML. Scene builder generates the FXML code for us. So it speeds up design and it greater for beginners. So it integrates easily with the popular IDEs like Eclipse, IntelliJ, and NetBeans, making the development process smooth. So now we'll see the controller integration. So this controls the link the FXML UI with Java logic. In the controller class, we use the @FXML uh, and notation to access UI components defined in the FXML file. Event handlers handle submit open and close parenthesis response to the user actions. The initialize method is automatically called once the FXML is loaded, and it's used for setup or event binding. In this example, the button is initially disabled and only enabled when the user types something in the text field. So now we'll see the CSS styling. CSS for styling, similar how it used for the web development. So CSS can be written in the external files and linked using FXML. So we use standard selectors like dot button or submission button. Next, JavaFX specifies style properties with the start with the FX like FX background color. Using CSS keeps styling clean and consistent across the app. So now we'll see the best practices around the FXML. So here are the some best practices like use one controller per FXML files to avoid confusions. So second one is break large UIs into smaller components using fx colon include. So keep all third one is the keep all styling in external CSS files. And the last, Organize FXML files in directories by feature. This improves maintainability and teamwork. So we'll come to the conclusion part where separation. So you will see the FXML provides a clean separation between UI and the logic. Now we'll see the collaboration. It encourages and collaboration between the designers and the developers. Now we'll see the styling. With CSS you can create professional looking interfaces. So next we'll come to the tooling part where the scene builders allows rapid visual design. Altogether, FXML transforms JavaFX development into a more maintainable, flexible and visual driven process. Thank you.